Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Tricks app. In this video I will show you that how you can use reference image in Midjourney. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So to use a reference image, in the bottom you will see this plus icon. Click on this and click on upload a file button. Now choose the file that you want to use as a reference. I will choose this picture and then click the open button and it will start uploading. Just press the enter key and you can see it's processing now. Now you can see the image has been added. So now once your image is added, just click on it and then right click and click the copy link button. Now you have copied the link for this image and now we can use it for reference. Now just type that image in. Now paste the link that we just copied. Now give a space and keep editing and then keep adding your prompt. So let's say sunny day, no clouds, bright sun, warm day, heat wave. And now once you are satisfied, just press the intro key and it will use the image as reference that we just added. And that's how you can use reference images in Midjourney. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.